Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Strava account. So I'm starting here by opening the Strava application on my device, and once it loads up, I can see the main screen where all my activity and feeds are displayed. From here, I need to access my account settings where the deletion option is located. So I'm looking up at the top of the screen where I can see my profile icon, and I'm going ahead and clicking on that profile icon. This takes me into my profile area where I can view my stats and other account related information. Now that I'm in my profile, I'm looking at the top of the screen again because this is where the settings option is located. Right up there, I can see the gear icon, and that's exactly what I need to open the settings menu. So I'm clicking on that gear icon, and as soon as I do that, the settings panel opens up with all the different account options and configurations available. At this point, I need to find the account deletion option, which isn't right at the top, so I'm scrolling down through the settings menu. I'm going past all the different preferences and notification settings until I get closer to the bottom. And while I'm scrolling, I'm keeping an eye out for the option that says delete your account. Once I spot it, I stop scrolling and click directly on delete your account. This opens up a new screen that's specifically designed for account deletion. And here, Strava shows some information about what happens when you delete your account and what steps you need to take before proceeding. Now on this screen, I can see a checkbox that says I downloaded or don't want to download my data. This is an important step because Strava wants to make sure you're aware that deleting your account is permanent and you'll lose all your data unless you've backed it up. So I'm checking that box to confirm that I understand and that I either have my data already or I'm okay with losing it. Once that checkbox is selected, I can move forward with the deletion process. Right below that, I can see a button that says Request Account Deletion. So I'm clicking on that button. And after I click it, Strava brings up one final confirmation screen to make absolutely sure this is what I want to do. This is the last step before the account is permanently removed. On this final confirmation screen, there's a button that says delete my account. So I'm clicking on that button, and once I click it, the deletion process is officially started. At this point, my Strava account is either immediately deleted or queued for deletion depending on how Strava processes these requests. And that's it, the account deletion is complete. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.